Welcome back to another one, guys. So today I'm just going to be bringing you another part to the garage to trapping shed. So today we're going to be mostly doing cleanup again. I know that's what we seem to be doing quite a bit, but in between projects you really just got to clean up everything, from making the actual skinning machine to all the dirt and stuff like that. You know, you got to get some stuff done. In between, you can't always just keep doing new things every single time. So I'll go ahead and get going, and then I'll show you afterwards what all we got done and kind of what's next on the agenda here. So let me throw you on the time lapse and I'll be right back. Alright, so got that all done here. So still a little bit dusty in here from all that blowing that I did. So basically what we ended up doing was we got the pulleys attached to the skinning machine and got the cable run through for the winch. So now it'll go down through this pulley, going up this side, going through that pulley, and coming down from that pulley. The reason why I use that second pulley right there is so it didn't just jump across and then it's kind of interfering in all your fur when you're trying to pull and stuff. So went ahead, did that. As you can see, I got about 6-7 gallons of dirt all done up for this season. So as of right now, I have 8 gallons ready to go, just right in my trapping basket, so nice and easy for that. And then I have this whole tote about half full of dirt still, that will slowly get throughout the course of the year here. So by the time trapping season comes around, we should have most of that done as well. And then other than that, we got some of the buckets cleaned up, we got the battery and stuff like that put away, a bunch of just various things around here. Got the cabinets put up, cardboard tossed away from spray painting and stuff like that. Yeah, and then just blowed everything down and got that out of here. For the next episode, so I live in a very cold climate here, so we're going to be actually putting on some plastic sheeting, which is 6 mil clear, so you can see kind of through it, not very clear. So it's 8 foot 4 inch by 100 foot, so very good. A lot of people use it for like contractors use it to stay warm in a small area and stuff like that. So since this doesn't have any insulation in it, mostly just the walls, and then some has some paneling, some has, you know, some pegboard, some has some paneling. Other than that, there's not insulation in here. So what we're going to be doing with that is getting it all done up top, and then also we're going to try to get as much as the walls done as possible. I might just do up top first here, since that won't be in the way for during the summer. Then I might just cut all of the pieces for the sides, and then I'll put them up as winter season starts to come up on us. As you can see, they have some very minimal insulation there, so we'll try to end up putting some stuff in these holes, like some polyurethane or something like that, since, you know, open air is going to be very easy to cool this place right down. And then hopefully get something done with all of these. So if there's anything that you're wanting to see in the next episode, just leave it in a comment down below. If you have any questions as well, let me know. Other than that, like and subscribe for more.